Hello my dear friends, today we will be discuss about the practical geometry of 4.3 exercise of standard 8 class. Okay na? So today what is the exercise is told? It's told that if two adjacent sides and three angles will be given, then how we will be draw the geometrical shapes. Okay? So previously we have studied that how all sides of the quadrilateral is given, how we will construct the quadrilateral. Okay? And we did that one. And in the second chapter it is given what? If sides and diagonals are given, then how will you find out the shape of the geometrical shape of the object or geometrical shape? Okay. Now here, if two adjacent side and three angles are given, then how will we find out? Okay. So take an example. That's what? Like a quadrilateral. Okay. Name it A, B, C, D. Suppose BC is or CD is 5 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter. Okay na? Now three angles. This is the three angles. Okay. Let it will be 90. This is 60 degree, and this is how much? 120 degree. Okay na? Now how will we draw it? Okay. First you have to remember that which sides dimensions as well as two adjacent sides is given. Means which of the side dimension is there and that particular side having the two adjacent angle must be there. Okay. So which one? 5 centimeter means CD is there. CD dimension is given as well as two adjacent angle is given. Here also you can take it BC also because 4 centimeter dimension is given and 60 degree and 120 angles are also given. So it will be easy that you can take the below one. Okay. Or you can take that one. I will take this one. Okay. So first draw the CD. CD with the help of the scale and transfer the dimension from the scale. How much? 5 cm with the help of the compass. Keep here and cross this straight line. So I will be name this intersecting point as D. Okay. So how much it is? 5 centimeter. Now remember that one by one we have to do it. Okay. From point C. Okay. How much degree it is saying? 60 degree. Now draw it because it is a acute angle. So it will be inside the angle will come in towards D. Okay. 60 degree. Draw and extend the line. Okay. Now from the C we draw it CD. Okay. CD we draw 5 centimeter. CD is 5 centimeter. From the C I have to extend. Which point will come? B point is coming. Up to which angle? What is the dimension of BC? It is 4 centimeter. So again refer the dimension from the scale and from put the needle in the C and bisect the 60 degree angular line and name it as B. Okay na? Now here two things are there. Now angle D, what happened here? In angle D it is saying 90 degree. Draw 90 degrees with the same dimension of the semicircle. Okay. 60, 120 from here. 60, 120. Bisect from the 60. Bisect from the 120. Now extend this perpendicular line. Okay na? Now this is angle D is over. Angle D is how much? 90 degree. But from the angle B, which one is left here? 120 degrees left here. So from this point you have to draw the same semicircle of dimension and draw it how much? From this point. Because 120 is obtuse angle. So it will be away from external angle will be showing you more than 90 degrees. So here from the inside you have to take it 60 and 120. Now here 120 is coming now. Now you have to be join these 2 points and extend it. Where it is bisect the perpendicular line drawn from the D, that point will be written as A. So this is our fair figure, actual geometrical figure by comparing with the which one? Rough figure. From the rough figure we will draw the fair one. So this is the funda that how you will draw if two adjacent sides and three angles are given, then how you will be draw the what? Geometrical drawing. Okay. Geometrical construction. Okay. So this is the one of the funda of the practical geometry of 4.3 exercise. I will do one of your problem from your textbook, okay, and rest of it you just do by yourself, okay. Okay, now come to my dear friends. It's saying that what it will be. It's saying that if a quadrilateral, name it plan, PLAN, plan. And what are the diameters it is saying? It is saying that PL is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now it's saying that LA is 6.5 centimeter, and it is saying that two sides are given. Now it is L. Okay. Now three angles are what are there? Three angles. P angle is 90 degree. Okay. Then 85 degree N angle. Then which one is given? Then A is how much? 110 degree. Okay. And this angle is not given. Okay. So how you will draw this one? Okay. So before going to the drawing, you have to be remember that sum of all angles of the quadrilateral is how much? 360 degree. So because here two sides, because why I am just discuss this principle, because the two sides which are given having no common adjacent angles. Okay. So what you have to do? First find the adjacent. Here 4 centimeters they are PL, but one angle is given, another is not given. Here AL is given, dimension of AL is given, but here angle A is given and angle L is not given. So you have to find angle A. How much? 110 plus 90 degree. How much? It is 200. 85 degree. How much? 285. 285 is subtract from the 360 degree. How much it will be? 575 degree. Now this angle will be how much? It is 75 degree. Now all the angles we get it. Okay, if like this manner the question will be given, then you have to find out the interior angle first. Otherwise you will get confused. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, na? Okay. Now let's draw the fair one. What is that? Draw any side, LA or PL. Let's draw LA. Okay. Now draw a straight line with the help of scale. LAL. How much? 6.5. Refer the dimension of scale. Put the needle here and bisect the straight line and name it as A. Understood, my dear friends? Now come to the point. What is that? Which side is given? Just notify the first one. LP is there. From L, P is there. Okay. 75 degree. How you will draw the 75 degree? So many people have some confusion. So I will be giving little hints. Okay. If I draw a line, if I put the point here, draw a semicircle from this side. 60, 120, 90 degree. Now just tell me 75 will be come in between which two degrees? It is coming between 60 degree and 90 degree. So from here bisect it, here bisect it. This angle is called as 75 degree. This is the process of drawing the 75 degree. Don't make any confusion. Go through the principles and solve it. Okay. Now draw the, what is that? LA is 6.5. We are drawing it. L is 75 degree. Now draw it. Draw a semicircle of n dimension. 60 degree, 120 degree. From 60 degree to here, you have to draw an arc. From 120 to here, you have to draw an arc, and it will be bisect the 60 degree arc. And join these two intersecting arc with the L. Then this will be a 90 degree. Okay, na? So it will be coming like little bit of what is that? Bend. But it is with the help of chalk I am doing now. So you have to use the scale. It will be coming correct. Okay. Now from 60 and from 90 degree. Here the point. 90 degree point. Okay. You have to be put the needle here and here. Draw here one arc from the 90 degree. Draw from the 60 degree. Now this one is coming as 75 degree. Okay. Extend that line. Okay. Now 75 degree is given. But LP is how much? 4 centimeter. So from L you have to refer the dimension from the scale. Draw here 4 centimeter. Which point will come in here? P will come here. Now same thing previously we have discussed here, that is what, from angle A how much it is there, 110. 110 is unable to draw with the help of compass. So that what you have to do, with the help of protractor you just draw 110 degree. Okay, put the protractor here. Okay, we know that straightly 90 degree will be here, it will be, and next one which one, 100 and 110 will be here. So I am roughly just drawing, okay, with the help of protractor. This one with the help of protractor you have to do it, my dear friends. Okay, so A is coming here because A is angle 110 is which angle it is? It is obtuse angle, so it will be away from the, it will coming outside. Okay, little bit of outside. Okay, so how much? 110 is there. Now from the P, what is the angle it is given? 90 degree. So draw here 90 degree. Okay, here 60, 120, from here 60 to here, draw the arc, and 120, from 120 bisect the arc and straight the line. Wherever the intersecting lines are comes, and the point will be called, intersecting point will come, and from the P extension line will be there with the, what is the angle it will be? 90 degree, and from the A will the another line will go and it is 110 degree. The 90 degree and 120 line where it is bisect, that bisecting point is called as what? N. Okay, so this is the total construction of our given rough sketch. Okay now, so this is the funda of which one? If the two horizontal side and three angles are given. Okay now, so my dear friends, understood the principle how it will be, find out the if two other side and three angles are given, then how you will find out, it is very very important for you. Okay, so remember the fundas and you will get the answer. Okay, so my dear friends, now come to the another one. Okay, suppose I am drawing a rectangle here, A, B, C, D. In your book, another example is there. Okay, if it is 4 centimeter, here it is 5 centimeter. Here it will say that draw the fair construction of ABCD. Okay, construct a triangle of dimensions of 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So a question will come into your mind, a doubt is coming to your mind. What is that? That how two sides are given, and sir is saying that if three angles will be given, then it is we cannot able to do it. But my dear friends, just remember this one, that what is the principle of the rectangle? In the principle of the rectangle is nothing but, that is what, all angles are how much? 360 degree, and all angles are equal, all angles are perpendicular to each other, that is what, 90 degree, and opposite sides are parallel to each other. Yes or no? These 2 points are very important to draw. Now you can easily draw it. Okay, how you will draw it? Take the 5 centimeter DC with the help of compass and transfer the dimension from the scale and just bisect the lines. Okay, from D how much? 90 degree. Again you have to draw it. Make it straight. Here also 90 degree. Make it straight. But here another 290 degrees is not required to draw, because why? We know that these two sides are parallel. How much it is? From the C to B, how much? 4 centimeter. Transfer the dimension of 4 centimeter from your scale. Put it here. Bisect the perpendicular line. Same here from the D and bisect the line. From C to bisecting line, which one is coming? B is coming. Here A is coming. Now join these two bisecting lines. Okay, this is the simple one. Okay, my dear friends. So remember that. Remember the funda of the solution, funda of the geometrical concept, and you can get the very beautiful and neat geometrical shape of the quadrilateral by referring the what? Rough sketch which is drawn from the statement given in your question. Okay, so this is the 4.3 topic. Okay, now come to the now the next question is what? I will say that the 4.4 in your chapter 4.4 is there. Okay, so that 4.4 is what? The 4.4 is given that if three sides and two angles are given, then how will you draw? Three sides and two angles. Okay, let's do it. How we'll find out? Take an example of a quadrilateral. Okay, three sides is what? Let it is 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. Three sides are came here. First, MOR. This is the rough sketch. Okay, we just made this rough sketch from the statement given from our book. Okay, now tell me that this angle is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. How you will draw it? If two angles and three sides are given, how you will draw it? Okay, let's take it. How much? Which one is given? Common sides and common angles. Which two are given? This one is given. So first take this one. Which one? OR. Draw it. OR. Transfer the dimension from the scale with the help of compass. How much? OR is 4 centimeter. This is 4. Okay. From O 90 degree. Draw it. Same procedure, my dear friends. If you understood it, then it will be very, very clear and it will be very, very easy for you. Okay, 90 degree are done. From R to E, how much? 6 centimeter. From R to E, 6 centimeter. With the help of compass, transferring the dimension and put here and bisect the perpendicular line. How much it is? It is 6 centimeter. Which point will come in? E. From the O to M, how much it is given? 5. So put the transfer the dimension from the scale of 5 centimeter and put here and bisect the perpendicular line. Now which one is come here? Then here M is coming. Now joining these two bisecting arc, which is intersect the perpendicular line. This is the fair geometrical shape of the given rough diagram. Okay, so this is your 4.4 chapter is there. If two angles are given and three sides are given, then how you will draw it? This is the example. Okay, so in this chapter, if any doubt is there, children, please ask me so that I will be clear your doubts. Write the comments in my sections and I will tell you. Okay, now come to the last but not the least. Which one? If only a simple statement is given, then how you will draw it? Okay, it will saying that draw a square. Still simple statement is what? Draw a square. Draw a square of side 4.5. So it is the simplest one. Okay, so first draw the rough sketch. Write it A, B, C, D. Okay, my dear friends. Now 4.5. Any side is 4.5. Now you just tell me square means what? What is the principle of square? All sides are equal. 4.5, 4.5, 4.5. Now you will say that, sir, 4.5 you draw it. But how it is related to the angles? Yes, it is. Because all angles are equal and all angles are perpendicular to each other. That is 90, 90, 90 and 90. All of them are 90 degrees. Remember these fundas. If you remember the funda, then your geometrical shape will be over. So take anything, CD. How much? 4.5. From here, draw 90 degree, 60, 120, 90 degree, extend. Here also 60, 120, 90 degree, extend. 4.5, transfer the dimension from the scalar. How much? 4.5. Bisect it. 4.5 bisected. Join the two bisect. DC. Then what you have tried here? Here A, here B. So this is the simple. If the simple statement is given, then how you will draw it? Same simple statement we have already discussed in the 4.2 chapter. That is rhombus. If two diagonals are there, then how you will draw the rhombus? Okay. So my dear friend, this is the simple funda of how to draw the geometrical shape by following the rough sketch from the given statement. Okay, this is the easiest way. So all of your exercise, because 4.3, 4.4 and 4.5, in this class I just cover all these exercises. Okay, so my dear friends, if you have any doubts, then you can ask me. Okay, write in your comments. Okay, and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.